Hi everybody, we're in the bus getting ready to do some renovations that we've wanted to do for a while. Sean, what are we doing?
We're gonna paint the inside of the bus. So we got a nice rainy Sunday today. Gonna spend some time doing some prep work. Paint the ceiling, paint all our cabinets. We originally painted everything pretty dark, and you know it just makes the lighting very difficult in here. So we're kind of hoping to brighten things up a bit. So we're gonna start today doing some prep work.
And pretty soon everything will be going from brown and gray to white and gray. So hopefully lighten her up a bit. Follow along. Gotcha. Little ninja.
Alright, welcome back everyone. So yesterday we made a lot of headway trying to get the bus ready to get painted. Got some better weather today, a little bit windy, but the rain passed. So I got some trim work I want to fix up before we get too deep into painting. Got a couple saws set up here. We'll get that hung up and then we'll get back to painting. Alright, all set. Let's get back to painting. Alright, so we're starting to get the base coat on the ceiling here. We use tongue and groove beadboard, so it's not the easiest of painting, but I will say it's already made it a ton of bit lighter. So I realized real quick that I hate painting.
Whose idea is it to paint again? Because I hate painting.
My idea. Well, we got a couple hours of work in. One coat of paint on the ceiling, definitely making a difference right now. One thing we realized though, Erin,
I hate painting.
painting sucks. For sure. All right, so we'll tune back in tomorrow. Try to get a second coat on the ceiling. Then we'll start thinking about the cabinet. So check back tomorrow. All right, guys. Later.
All right, well, Sean is finishing up the second coat on the ceiling. We're gonna take off some doors and I'm gonna do some painting of their cabinets. not good at this.
Time to put it all back together.
Woohoo! Taco wants to play.